So great job on making it so far. So the last component we have to test is clearing the to-do items component. So for testing the clear to-dos component, we want to test if it's hidden if there are no completed to-do items and visible otherwise. So we can see like this, and there's no reason for the clear completed to be visible if there are no completed to-dos, right? So if we complete even one, we can see it appears again. So that's what we're going to test. So yeah, so let's go back to the post and we can start by creating our last test. So you can say clear to-dos, test yes, and then let's just import the component. Clear to-dos from clear to-dos svelte. And then let's create our helper function. Render completed to-dos. We're going to completed to-dos argument, that's 0 by default. We're also going to have props. Clear completed. It's an empty function, and the completed to-dos, right? And then we can render it. And just spread the props. And return the props. Yeah, so awesome. So let's add our first test. So it should be hidden if there are no completed to-dos. That's a function. Let me just scroll so you can see what's going on. And then we can render the component. Render completed to-dos. We can pass in the amount. And then let's query the clear button element. We can say screen. Let's import it. Get by role, right? Say button. Then we can assert that the clear button element should have a class of hidden, right? Because it's how it works. And this should pass, so let's see. But I forgot one thing. Forgot to go to source components. This clear to-dos, test TS. Now it works. So should be hidden if there are no completed to-dos. So let's test the opposite. So let's test should be visible if there is at least one completed to-do item. So let's add a function, and we can render completed to-dos. We can say it's 1, and then we can say the same thing of querying the clear button element. Say screen get by role button, and let's do the assertion. Clear button element to not have a class of hidden. So if we save it around the test, it passes, and that's awesome. So congrats, so that's all of our tests. So we can press A in the terminal to run all the tests, and all of our tests are passing, so awesome. I hope you have more confidence now.